In this video, I'll show you how to add stickers to TikTok videos. It's going to be a tutorial video, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your TikTok. Let's say if you love to add sticker to a TikTok video, what you need to do, you're going to be able to see the picture icon down below. So if you click on it, you're going to be able to see your stickers, right? And remember in my previous video, I told you about how you can be able to create a sticker if you're using your iOS or Android. So get to the sticker maker app so you can be able to create stickers for yourself. So I'm going to click on the picture now and I'm going to add up a sticker. Okay, right now if you look here, I just added up a sticker, and this is what I meant by telling you to be able to know how you can be able to find or get stickers that can be able to add to TikTok comments or videos. If you found this video helpful, please share those below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.